So in this device, I am going to show you how to enable the notification light around the camera in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. For this, we need to install one application. I will give the link in the description box. Please check it out. Go to Play Store, and this application is easily available at the Play Store. Always on edge, we need to install this application. So I installed this application. Now I will show you the step-by-step process of how to enable the notification light around the camera. Now we need to open this application always on edge, and now we need to give some permissions. So this is a home page. First tap on main settings. So here you can see the option required permission. So all these permissions are required. Now I am going to give all these permissions. You need to give all these permissions, okay? Yeah, after give all these permissions, tap on save at the bottom. The settings is saved. Now go to home screen. Then here you can see the option lighting settings. Tap on it. Now tap on enable notch support. Then here you can see the option adjust manually. Select this option, and here you can see some notch type or other or U, V narrow, V wide, and you can adjust the notch width and height also. So simply here you can see one notification light around the screen. Now I will show you how to enable the notification light only around the camera. Then scroll down, tap on the lighting placement. So to enable the notification light only around the camera, select the option around notch only. Then here you can see the option edge style, tap on it. So from here you can select any option. So here I am going to select the option follow. Then scroll down, select the option edge color amount. So from here you can select any color for this notification light. Now the one color is selected. So here I am going to select the option rainbow. Now you can see a small rainbow around the camera, right? Then if you scroll up, if you want to increase the notification light thickness, then here you can see the option edge thickness. Then you can increase the thickness also. You can see. Right now we need to save these changes. Tap on save at the bottom. You can see settings saved successfully. Now go back, tap on app settings. Then here you can see the option when to turn on edge lighting, tap on it. So if you want to see the notification light when you receive a new notification, then select this option and select the option always off or on your screen. So if you want to see the notification light while you're charging your device, then select this option. So if you want to see the notification light while you're listening to music, then select this option and select the option always off or on your device. And if you want to see the notification light while you plug in your headset, then select this option. And if you want to see the notification light after lock your device, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light after unlock your device, then select this option. After give all these changes, tap on save at the bottom. Now you can see settings saved successfully. Now I will show you how it works. Actually, when you receive a new notification, then all this time you can see the notification light while you plug in your headset, while you make charging your device, while you listening the music. All this time you can see the notification light. So here I am going to lock the device. Then also you can see the notification light. Just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the notification light is here. Right. When you unlock the device, then also you can see the notification light. I will show you. You can see. Okay. So simply in this way you can enable the notification light around the camera in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.